Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a coordinator and host so the mesh can exist. Flash the coordinator firmware, connect it to your controller, and set a unique PAN ID and network key so devices trust the network. This prevents accidental joins. Once done, pick a Zigbee channel away from crowded Wi-Fi channels and enable permit join for a short window. Make sure power and serial drivers are correct, and verify the controller shows an initialized coordinator before moving to device pairing. Next, you add routers and end devices sequentially so the mesh self-organizes predictably. Put routers where they extend coverage, power each, then start pairing while permit join is active. Confirm each device appears with a valid RSSI and parent node. If a link is weak, move the router closer to an existing router or reduce obstructions. Once devices join, update firmware, and set reporting intervals to balance responsiveness with battery life. Make sure routing tables populate. This is how messages find efficient paths. To finish, you lock down the network by disabling permit join and backing up the coordinator configuration and network key so you can restore the mesh if needed. Make sure monitoring is running. Use topology views and logs to watch routing and latency, and schedule OTA updates during low activity. If something goes wrong, start with one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle and factory reset the problematic device. Then retry joining within a fresh permit join window while watching the coordinator logs for errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.